By the end of this video, you will learn how to generate a list of 10 Facebook content ideas that showcase behind-the-scenes moments at a small retail store. Behind-the-scenes moments are a goldmine of content that often gets overlooked by small businesses. These posts build trust, create community, and boost engagement. And I'm going to show you how a super simple ChatGPT prompt can unlock a treasure trove of engaging Facebook posts for your retail store. This strategy is very useful for you if you are someone who constantly scratches their head wondering what to post on Facebook. Even when some of your most captivating content is happening right now in your store without you even realizing it. We're talking about the magic that happens before the customers walk in or after the doors close. Let's start. People connect with authenticity. They want to see the human side of your business, the effort, the passion, the real moments. And that's exactly what behind-the-scenes content delivers. It builds trust, creates a sense of community, and makes your customers feel like they're part of something special. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but what specific ideas can I post? That's where ChatGPT comes in. I'm going to share a powerful prompt that will generate a list of fantastic behind-the-scenes content ideas specifically for a small retail store. Here's the prompt we'll be using. Generate a list of 10 Facebook content ideas that showcase behind-the-scenes moments at a small retail store. It's simple, direct, and incredibly effective. Let's update the bracketed small retail store with small scrapbooking, card making, art journaling, quilling shop. Please refer my website, www.scrapandbean.com. ChatGPT thrives on info, so when you add more info about the business, in this case, the website address, it will be able to provide you even better and shop-based ideas. Let's click enter and see what ChatGPT will produce. Look at this list. Let's go through a few of these and talk about how you can bring them to life. Number 1. Crafting in action. Time-lapse videos. Capture the transformation of a blank canvas into a beautiful scrapbook page, card, or quill design. This post will be perfect for increasing engagement and watch time. Time-lapse videos are visually satisfying and keep people watching longer. Number 2. Meet the maker. Staff spotlights. Introduce your team members through short videos or photos, sharing their favorite crafting techniques or products. This personal touch fosters a stronger connection with your audience since people buy from people. Showing the faces behind the business builds trust and emotional connection. Number 3. Workspace wonders. Behind-the-scenes tours. Give followers a peek into your crafting space, showcasing how you organize materials, tools, and ongoing projects. Highlighting your workspace can inspire others and showcase your dedication to the craft. Also, it will give customers a peek into your real workspace, which will build transparency and relatability. See how quickly ChatGPT can give you actionable ideas? The beauty of this prompt is its simplicity. You can tweak it slightly too. For example, generate 5 content ideas for a boutique showing behind the scenes. Give me 10 behind-the-scenes Instagram reel ideas for a coffee shop. Now, a crucial point about behind-the-scenes content: it doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, the more authentic and less polished it is, the better. Use your smartphone, capture genuine moments, and don't overthink it. People appreciate seeing the real you. When you share these moments, remember to add a relatable caption. Ask questions to encourage comments, like, "What's your favorite part about product?" Or, "What behind-the-scenes moment would you love to see next?" This sparks conversation and builds a stronger community around your brand. So, if you've been struggling with your Facebook content, give this ChatGPT prompt a try. It's a game changer for brainstorming fresh, engaging, and authentic ideas that will help your small retail store connect with your audience on a deeper level. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with another small business owner, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.